Welcome back to the channel. Tim with Adrenaline HQ, answering the top questions that you have for your Mercedes Sprinter. Today, we're showing you how to connect the Bluetooth on your Sprinter to your phone. Let's get into it. You're going to want to turn your ignition on to the second click and then select your phone from your menu. Then go to Connect Device, Connect New Device, and you can see it gives you a Bluetooth code that you're going to want to find on your phone. So here we're going to pull up Bluetooth on my phone, and we're going to look for MBUX 62948. There it is. Select that on the phone. The screen, once you select it, will then pop up with this passcode asking if it matches. Say yes on the screen and pair on your phone. It's going to ask you if you want to allow your contacts and favorites to sync. I say yes. Now that your phone is connected via Bluetooth, you can view recent calls, contacts, you can add favorites, and you can also view the media from your phone on your van. Bluetooth or USB if you want to plug into the USB port under the dash. That's it for today's quick tip. If you have any other questions on the dash or Mercedes integration on your Sprinter, give us a call.